Hello everyone.
Happy December 1st. Today we celebrate pie, giving, and the joy of holiday anticipation. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Pie Day. A sweet and savory tribute to flaky goodness. A great gift could be a pie baking kit, a gourmet pie sampler, or a pie-themed apron. What's your favorite pie flavor? Let's slice into the comments. Tomorrow is Giving Tuesday. A global reminder to share kindness and generosity. A thoughtful gift could be a donation in someone's name, a volunteer starter kit, or a gratitude card set. How will you give today? Let's inspire the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And now let's count down. Only 24 days until Christmas, let's keep the festive spirit alive. It's World AIDS Day. A day of awareness, compassion, and support. Gift a red ribbon pin, a donation to a health charity, or a book of inspiring survivor stories. Who inspires you with resilience? Let's honor them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.